This is Hercules being bad. You better listen to her. She keeps telling you to stop and you don't listen. Oh, it's coconut time again. Bless you. Bless you. You're a goofy dog. Finally acting like a normal dog at least, though. Stop it, you're crazy. Ow! Hercules! Don't do that. Don't do that. Ow! No bite. That's my phone. No. No. Ow! No! No! Let go! No. Let go. No. Hey! No. Go play with your coconut. Oh, what are you doing?